In this video we are going to see how to create a invoice for any particular customer. For this we need to log in into the admin dashboard, as I already have logged in. Go to sales, invoices. From this button we can create a new estimate. We need to specify the customer. Here the shipping will appear. We can specify the invoice number, invoice date, due date. Here we can provide the tag. We can allow the payment mode. Here the currency is already selected. We can provide the sale agent. Here we can define if the invoice is recurring, monthly, or we can customize it. We can specify the discount type. Here we can provide the note to the admin. From this we can add an item to the particular invoice. From this button we can add this item to the invoice. So here we have the total amount. We can provide the note to the customer. Also we can add terms and conditions over here. So we have two options. We can save as draft, and in here we can save and send later, save and record the payment, save and send. So it will be recorded. In here we have this summary of the invoice. We can provide a task for a staff member for this particular invoice. Here we can view the activity log, like the invoice has been created. We can set the reminder for our staff members. We can also provide notes to our staff members. From here we can view the PDF, download the PDF and print it. In here we can view the invoice as customer. Like on the customer end, the invoice will be shown as like this. We can also convert to the delivery mode, and we can mark as payment. So this is how we create an invoice from admin dashboard.